Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to demo an exe which I've created in Python, and what it does is it fetch the option chain data along with the nifty live data. And what you can do, you just need to I mean click on this exe and it is going to fetch you the data. So I'm going to demo this. So I've created an exe, and what you can do, you can fetch the NSC option chain live in the market from the NSC website. So I have created a exe. We just need to open this. So it is opening. So you can see the name here, and I have put all the puts here. So puts are here, strike price is in between, right? And here is the OI built up of put, and here you can see the OI built up of the call, right? And this is change in AI in OI, and percentage change in OI. This is total traded volume. This is IV. This is LTP. This is change in the option price, and this is the percentage change. So what I have done, I have made a refresh button here, and you can just refresh this and the new data. If the it will, it will connect to the NSC website and it will fetch that data of this much options. So the point is like, we generally trade in, if you're doing it intraday or something, then intraday you need to just check for the few of the the strikes. We don't trade in the that far, that 13,500 or 16,000. So that's why I made it a little bit for the less strikes, but you can have it for the whole strikes. But as I've made is customized, and the another thing is that what I want to show you, like, I have also added the Nifty 50 here. Like you can see, like, what is the change is there, percentage change, what is happening. And the good thing is that no need that heavy Excel softwares in which they are showing that what is short covering is there, or where the call writing is there. So either on the put side, or so you can make a judgment here also, like if the market is going down and you see like the some puts change in the OI is there in a negative phase, so you can understand, like, if market is going down and the put is being which was being written and they are just covering that, then you can understand that there is a short covering in the put. And similarly, if the market is going up, and you can understand, like, the most of the call seller are going to shift to their positions, so on the higher side. So you can understand there, like, whether the on which strike what is happening. So I've just made it just for for learning experience for my own, and whether so that's the thing here. And you can get all of the features, like you can find, like, the what is the market status right now, it is open, and what is the it's of the Nifty 50, and this is the the price of the index, the index value at that point of time. And you can have a change, what is the change exactly, is a minus 63 points from the previous day close, and this is a percentage change in the same term. So this is always being coming from the NSC, and I'm just putting it. So you can see, like, the values, if you have seen it through end, you must have seen, like, values are like populating at their own. So that is something I was able to do it. And it is going to you can see this here also, like, in this is deployable, I've given it a name, and see the how less MB memory it is taking. And it is very, I mean uh, very, you can say effective in terms of the resources it is using. So I would like, if you want, you can just use it. And guys, let us do some testing of this. What I can do, I can go to the option chain, and here I'm going to just click on I mean refresh this, and you can see like the values are coming 56 15,060 and minus 48 0.32%. And let's see here. So it is giving me a value. So let's check here. Okay, I'm getting it 15060, right? So there is a simple one thing here. You can see the values are not exactly matching because the API call which I am making is it updates in a 30 minutes. I mean, sorry, 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, it is going to update. So let's see here now if it's the value same. No, because I'm not reading it from here. My Let me do this. Okay, yeah. So you can see like 15063.55, right? So this is same I'm getting here, right? So it is linked to this one, right? And similarly, here also we can see if I'm going to the 15,100, and this is the put. So put price is 53.85, and this is the OI, and let's see at 15,100. So my puts are here. Uh, so if I see it is 31,320, right? Let me see, check it on the. um, so yeah, 31,320. You can see. So similarly, other values are also being fetched live. As you can see, the values are, I mean, updated. If you have seen this video, I mean, closely. And similarly, this open and percentage section, this is coming from the NSC only, right? But I have integrated as in this software. So you can just backtest it, and if there is something, you can just, uh, I mean, update here or just use it. And thanks for watching. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe it, because I'm working on many new things. If there is something new, then you're going to get to know very later when that video becomes a like. So be don't I don't want that some time should be wasted between the viewers. Those who want it, they can have it. Okay, thanks for watching.